going up Antelope Canyon. It's just amazing. I'm going to pan up here and
way up,
this is in Arizona, and this canyon progressively gets higher up, and
we're having fun, right?
more narrow.
Hi, Mom.
As we go along. It's absolutely gorgeous. Lake Powell took 17 years to fill after the dam was built, but it's worth a come see when you come on this tour. Love it. It's like a spiritual renaissance here. No wonder the Indians love this place so much. Oh my God. I wonder how we're going to turn around, but we will. Well, if you're enjoying this as much as we are at home.
I'm sure they're not.
I'm sure you're not.